is both a privilege and my distinct honor as Dean of Khyber Medical College to welcome you all to the second KMC International Conference in collaboration with APNA and Gymkhana.
ہمارے خیبر میڈیکل کالج کے گریجویٹس یا ہمارے صوبے کے مختلف کالجز سے گئے ہوئے گریجویٹس جو ہمارے فارن کنٹریز میں ہیں، ان کا آنا یہاں پہ، ان کا کولیبوریشن رکھنا اپنے پرانے انسٹیٹیوشنز کے ساتھ، دس از ویری امپورٹنٹ. اور اس کا فائدہ جو ہے وہ یہی ہے کہ وہاں پہ جا کے انہوں نے جو کچھ وہاں پہ دیکھا، جو ان کی وہاں پہ ریسرچ ہے، اور یہاں پہ آ کے اپنے تجربات سے ہم سب کو ادھر ہمارے جو یہاں کے فیکلٹیز ہیں، ہمارے اسٹوڈنٹس ہیں، ان کے ساتھ آ کے ان کو دکھانا، بتانا، اٹس ویری امپورٹنٹ.
This activity is one of the activities that this institution has been holding in the last few years. I had the privilege of attending the first Gymkhana conference as well, and recently there was another research conference in which I was invited, and I am very elated to inform you that in all my experience of 40 plus years, I have been visiting lots and lots of institutions. I find a lot of enthusiasm and a zeal both in the faculty and the students of this institution as regards research and development, particularly in the health sector. Alumni abroad have really had a great impact. I had the opportunity of finding out that lots and lots of young, I think over 600 students, are being supported for their residence and board and lodge by the esteemed Gymkhana, which was not mentioned by Dr. Khane. So I thought the audience must know that they are not only paying the tuition for 100 students, but they are also paying for the board and lodge of a large number of the students as well.
Today marks not just a continuation of an academic tradition, but a celebration of excellence, collaboration, and shared purpose that transcends borders. Khyber Medical College stands as a proud symbol of academic distinction and service. As the oldest and most prestigious medical institution in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, it has for decades nurtured generations of physicians, researchers, and leaders who have gone on to serve humanity with dedication and compassion. Our legacy is not merely in history, but in the impact our graduates continue to make across the world.
And that really gives hands-on opportunity to transfer the skills to all our undergrad, postgrad, nursing technicians to learn and encourage themselves for these practical competencies. For our young doctors and students, Gymkhana offers a vibrant academic environment with an interactive sessions, different quizzes, prizes, engaging activities, ensuring that the learning remains a dynamic, and it is really an inspiring experience.
As a proud member and representative of Gymkhana today, I want to apprise this audience about Gymkhana's efforts and every effort possible to contribute to the healthcare delivery in KP. We are collaborating with KMC in this regard to arrange for exchange of knowledge and skills via conferences like the one being conducted today.
In the end, thank you very much, and I wish all the success to all the people. I would be amiss if I do not mention the organizing team under Dr. Ambar Ashraf, who have taken this very onerous task very diligently, very uprightly, and with a lot of enthusiasm over a very short period of time. This is a great effort. My congratulations to you.